this is me and Melissa on our flight to Bangkok from Vietnam to take on our next leg of the adventure.
We'll film more when we land.
Just a little nervous. We have it documented now. We have wine for the train ride tonight.
But we have to turn off the camera because we're landing. Bye! We're here in Bangkok. We just landed, waiting for a ride, drinking tea.
And it feels like we're in Hawaii.
It feels like we're in Hawaii.
Smells tropical.
It's very, tropical smelling and very fresh. Weather is beautiful.
Yay! I found a way for my sunglasses. Aloha! This is us getting ready to take the train to Chiang Mai. And here's our wonderful friends. Hi! Okay. We're in the train station. Getting ready to board our train. Alright. Here we go. Getting on a choo-choo, heading to Chiang Mai to take Henry back to his old haunting grounds. And we've got a nice ceremony with the monks tomorrow. And this is going to be an adventure. Getting on the train. Bye! Oh, we're moving now. Oh, no, we're going back. Oh.
I need to borrow your glass.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, we need to order bread.
Why are we going back?
We just had a little. Okay, we're going in the wrong direction. Okay, we're going back to the thing. Hi. This is the restaurant car man taking our breakfast order. Okay, we're going back to the station. Okay, we'll get jumped.
We stopped.
Hindi ABกับC เหรอ
Talk about choices.
Where are we going? I don't know. I've got some wine.
We're ordering our breakfast for tomorrow on the train.
มันก็ไม่อร่อยสิค่ะ
เขาไม่เอาอะไร
ก็ให้เขาตักให้น้องครับ
Okay, we're having eggs and bacon or
rice,
and more rice for breakfast tomorrow morning. Okay, we're still ordering breakfast. Kapkung.
ยังไม่ได้กินเลยจะเอาตักเนี่ย
Okay, I think we got it together. Rice or rice.
ภาษาคนไทยบอกยังไม่ได้กินเรื่องอย่างไร
Henry, I met him the first time in Manila on a contract with the IFC. He scared me at first, but I got over it. And now we are cheering to Henry.
Yay! We are. Yeah, stolat, as we say in Polish. Stolat. And Kupi, you remember Henry, yeah? When you came to visit us in Wyoming?
He taught me fly. Oh, you know.
He taught you how to fly fish, that's right. And a lot of dirty words too, yeah?
I was telling Auntie Claudia when Daddy was talking to Henry and you guys were listening on Skype, remember?
Yeah.
What did you remember
Him
about
when I
that?
was born. I'm not supposed to.
No, you don't have to repeat the words, but...
But how did it sound?
Not too good.
Poor little thing. Oh, I love it. Okay, onward home. Let's go. We're eating. We've just left Bangkok after like lengthy delay and we're still in Bangkok, but we've actually left the station and now we're eating amazing food.
หมูน้ำตก
Who?
หมูน้ำตก
Unbelievable food. We've already been through 2 bottles of wine. We're good. And again, we're still in city limits. The fun continues. Okay, we're still having our food fest. And when you know a Thai can't handle it, it's a little spicy.
Boys, we miss you. Please come and visit us in Thailand. Bring the
Say some names.
Yeah.
The people that we
Travis.
met.
Uh-huh.
Will,
Yeah.
Rick,
Yeah, Big Rick. Uh-huh.
Summer,
Summer.
Julie.
Julie. Yeah, who else did you meet there?
Henry.
Oh, Henry.
Henry's always with us in spirit.
Awesome. You're how tired are you?
I'm very tired.
And she wants to go to sleep, and we still haven't left Bangkok yet.
I'm like a 90-year-old in a 31-year-old body.
Now our beds are being made up for us. How fun is this? Look. Yeah, Melissa. Okay, you go in the upper one, honey girl. You don't touch mama. Okay. And there's a little ladder. You can go up there. Our dining room has now been converted into sleeping rooms.
There's a ladder.
Okay, good night, Melissa. Good night. First one out.
You are a party animal.
Hey, I thought you were on the upstairs, bra. The other side.
No, this
Okay.
is just...
Oh, fun. Party pooper.
Actually, when we were in
First one
grad
out.
school, Sherry would go to these parties, and I would always fall asleep, you know, at the party. And as we get older now, Cherie's the one who falls asleep all the time, and I'm the one who stays awake.
Yeah. Good night. Good night. Oh, cute. This is so fun. Once it was a dining room 2 minutes ago, and now it's 2 bedrooms.
Is it
How
long
fun.
It's
Move your thing like this.
You might want to leave your shoes down here.
Yeah.
I have a little basket. I'm
Still
gonna
on the train.
the choo-choo train. Good morning.
Good morning. Choo-choo. Still on the train. Oh, not looking good. Here's our choo-choo. Everybody's sleeping still. It's 6:30 in the morning. Okie dokie. Oh my god, major sweaters on the teeth. This is awesomely comfortable. Our little beds here, see?
I was upstairs.
Yeah, this is up in the bunk. That's fun. Good morning, Mommy. Hi, Cherie. Good morning. On the way to Chiang Mai. We're now 12 hours into this trip. Pretty stuff going by. Nice. Oh, a little monk. A little monk. Oh, it's cute little towns. Breakfast on the choo-choo. What you got there, Cuppy?
Milo and rice.
Rice and more rice.
And eggs.
And eggs. It's really delish, actually. And we have coffee. How you doing, Melissa?
Better now that I have my coffee.
And we're still on the train. Still on the train.
We're still in Bangkok, actually.
13 hours later. 13 hours later, still haven't left. Joke. We're about, what, an hour and a half out?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get there eventually. Out of Chiang Mai. Cute little station. Where are we now?
This is where you used to get attacked by people with bamboo shoots.
Oh, really? Why? This is cool. We're almost there, but not quite.
It's really good
Chiang
bamboo.
Mai. Here we go. About to start our new adventure. Yeah. Oh, and there's Cherie's mommy and the brother Tiny. Whee! Hi. Whee, we made it. Oh. Okay. Off we go. Stay tuned. We'll have a temple ceremony later today. And returning Henry back to his old stomping ground. Aloha. Bye. Chiang Mai. We made it.